Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ombre nail with acrylic powders. So I will be using this brand right here. I think it's called Sherry or Cherry. I'm going to be using the clear and the coverage peach. I'm also going to be using a customized color acrylic that I made myself with glitters and powders, and I'm also going to be using their liquid. I will be using my size 8 Coupa brush, and when you're working on someone, you could go ahead and use a bonder and primer. I'm not going to use it right now because it is a fake hand, but you could go ahead and just prep the nails just like you would. Now right here, I'm going to go ahead and use my color powder. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pack the color just since it is a glitter. And on the top, I will be kind of like blending it so that it's not a harsh line when applying the nude color. I am also cleaning the sides, making sure there's no acrylic on the sides, and it's just going to help you with your shaping. I'm also applying a little bit more of the powder on the tip of the nail, just so it's not so thin, and that's how it looks. Now I will be grabbing my coverage peach. I am getting a small bead and I am putting it in the cuticle area. I'm just patting it down, making sure it's flush to the nail around the cuticle. And then I'm just feathering down, trying to make a smooth little blend. Now when I do ombre, I do little parts. I don't go ahead and just grab a big bead of acrylic, just because sometimes you do grab like a bigger bead and it's just very messy. It's over the color and it's not like a nice flush blend. So my first bead is small, and then my second bead is just so that I can create that apex area. So it is like a bigger bead. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing, make sure it's nicely blend in the middle. Now I do go in with a smaller bead, and it's just to create that apex area a little bit higher, so that when you encapsulate the blend of the ombre, you do it just like on the middle of the nail and towards the tip. You don't really put more acrylic on that area on top. So right there where I brush my brush at, that's where the acrylic is gonna go. That's where the clear is gonna go. And this is just to protect the ombre, because when you do file, you can file off the blend of the ombre and it just won't look nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply another bead of acrylic, and this is more towards like the tip of the nail. Once you are done with the clear powder, I'm just gonna go ahead and let that dry. Make sure you clean your sides again, just so that you don't have that excess acrylic, and it will give you less timing when it comes down to filing. Now here I already went ahead and filed and shaped the nail. Now I'm just adding top coat. I'm wiping off the sides, and that's how the ombre turned out. Just real quick, I just wanted to say I am working on new angles to record the video so that you guys could have a better view. And I am new at this voiceover, so hopefully you guys understand and can see the video really good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment down below if you guys have any requests. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.